Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Notion app not opening on Windows. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So in order to fix the Notion app not opening on Windows, you have to follow these steps. First, close Notion completely. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Look for any Notion processes running in the background, right-click on them, and select End Task. Once all Notion processes are closed, try launching the app again. If the issue still persists, restart your computer. A simple restart can clear temporary glitches and background processes that may be preventing Notion from opening properly. After your PC restarts, open Notion and check if the problem is resolved. Next, clear the Notion cache. Go to Windows search bar and open Run dialog box. Here, type %app data % and press Enter. Find the Notion folder and delete its cache files. After that, go back and again open the Run window again. This time, type %local app data %, press OK. Here, remove the Notion cache there as well. Then launch the app again. If Notion is still not opening, uninstall it from your computer, go to search bar and find Notion, right-click on it and select Uninstall it from your computer. Then, download the latest version from the official Notion website. Install the fresh copy and sign into your account. This will replace any corrupted files that may be causing the issue. Finally, make sure your Windows system is up to date. Open Settings from your Windows taskbar and then go to Windows Update. Here, install any available updates. Once the updates are installed, restart your computer and try opening Notion again. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Notion app not opening on Windows. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.